Are not light and gross bodies interconvertible?
I fail to understand you.
That which the Greeks called atomos, the atom, that which is uncuttable, they will find a way to cut. That is how they will destroy each other and themselves.
Yes.
Are not light and gross bodies interconvertible? Alas, they are. And from that comes the release of energies that will melt the flesh from their bones and topple their cities and blot out the sun. And then follows my time, brother. The age of fire and flame.